So I'm at my brother-in-law's shop. He's got a machine shop. We've got these old calipers. We are going to sandblast them and sandblast them and sandblast them. Let's go sandblast. Okay, so just gonna plug some holes with these earplugs, just anywhere I don't want paint to get in. They're cheap and they do the job. Now you'll notice I left in the bleeder screw. That's because I'll be replacing it, and it was just one more hole. I didn't have to worry about getting paint in. We also have to tape this up, so I'll do that real quick. Little earplug to kind of fill the hole so too much paint doesn't get in there, and then I've got a wire to hold it to paint and to hang it to dry. So that's one. So, plug the holes, tape those, we'll put another piece of wire. Alright, same idea, earplug and some wire. Okay, so we've got 3 coats of primer, 3 coats of black, and 3 coats of clear on these calipers now. So now we're going to rebuild these calipers with fresh seals, gaskets, bleed screws, all of that business. Alright, so I'm working on a gun cleaning mat because I found that they're soft and absorbent. Look how clean and pretty. The first thing, we're gonna clip off this little hanger wire and pull out everything we used to stop up the holes. Easy. Alright, so we've got a new bleed screw. And we're done. Not really a difficult job. Honestly, the hardest part was cleaning these things. So I did the rear ones with a drill and a wire wheel. And it worked. So there's the rear caliper. And here's a front caliper. So this one was done with just a drill and a wire wheel. Something you can easily do at home. This was done in a sandblasting cabinet at my brother-in-law's shop. Way easier. Way easier. Took me just a few minutes to take everything off of this. This took a long time and I never got really the rust off. I just got it clean. But you can see the results are pretty equal. They really look good either way. Way better than the rusty mess that was on there. So now these are done. They're clean. They're all rebuilt. New seals, new pads, everything. They're ready to go back on the car, but the car is not ready yet. I've got a myriad of other things to do. As you know, if you watched my other video, we've got to replace hard lines. But I got a bunch of stuff to do even before that. So, we're going to get to it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you soon.